Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Renu. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video. This time it's a Chanel classic small double flap in black with a gold hardware. I bought in lambskin leather, which is super luxurious and beautiful. At the beginning I was a bit confused between choosing black or beige, but my essay and husband suggested that I should get in black. Hence I got in black color, but my next Chanel bag will be in beige for sure. Thank you very much for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, then please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this bag, then please feel free to leave me a comment and I'll do my best to reply. Once again, thank you very much, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.